Most traders lose money in XAUUSD, not because their analysis is wrong, but because they trade against banks. If you trade gold, you've probably seen this before. Price hits your stop loss, and then moves exactly in your direction. This is not bad luck. This is how the market works. Gold is not moved by indicators. XAUUSD is moved by banks and institutions. Banks don't trade randomly. They need liquidity, and most liquidity comes from retail stop losses. Retail traders are taught to buy support and sell resistance. Banks know this, so price is pushed toward areas where most stop losses are placed. During Asia session, liquidity is built. During London session, fake moves often appear, and during New York session, real bank execution usually happens. The problem is not your strategy. The problem is your mindset. Stop asking, where should I enter? Start asking, where is liquidity? This channel is called Mindset Bank, because trading is about thinking like the bank. Trade less. Think deeper. Follow the bank.